Good night, Vatos. Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast yet again. We're going to be installing the exhaust. I think I'm going to do 2 videos or 3 videos, maybe like a time-lapse stage 1 install, and then of course a step-by-step install. I got started on it yesterday after work and it got late. It's raining. You know, I don't have a garage. I have a little area here where I work on my bike, so we're going to start doing that here, or I'm going to be just cutting that image from yesterday and then try to finish the overall install today, and probably have the full stage 1 and the tune all together. Yeah, you guys just stay tuned. If you guys are wondering, if you guys want to do this to your bike, you guys can do it. All right, you guys don't have to spend $2,000 worth of labor to get it done at the dealership. You can do it you can do this yourself. This is the same process for just about any bike. Dynas, Sportsters, you know, somewhat Softails, mainly because of the throttle. Yeah, I mean, you guys just stay tuned. I'm thinking about other things. I'm thinking about the whole build in itself, but I believe the main stage 1, you could do this across all bikes. So you guys are wondering about Softails. I also have a video on Lowrider S Softail Milwaukee 8. You guys could check that playlist out, and that's the whole build. Just tune in, rambling. Let's get let's get to work. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's the install of a Bassani Road Rage 2-in-1 on a Sportster. So if you guys were wondering, that's how that's how it's done. It's about, you know, it's about a 2-hour job. I had to take a break because my back is stiffing up. Like always, whenever I work on my bikes and it's something like this, about, you know, an hour and a half, my back starts to stiffen up. So I had to take a break. Now I'm finishing up and it's pretty much done. I'm gonna just, you know, mess with it right now. I don't have to tune it right now. I do have a tune, but that's gonna have to be after I do the air breather. So you know, thanks for tuning in, thanks for supporting the channel, and thanks for you know, liking the video. So you guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read, life's a risk, get out there and ride. Later.